a quiet, family-minded condominium townhome complex situated within Pickering's West Shore community. Welcome to 925 Bailey Street. Unit 73 is an end-unit home with a covered front porch and entrance, perennial gardens, as well as a separate front patio, from where family members can relax and watch over the kids in the complex's play park. The entrance foyer has a coat closet and an accent window brightening the space, and leads into living and dining areas finished with beautiful dark hardwood floors. The main level is tastefully decorated with a subtle and neutral color palette throughout. The living room is generous in its size and well suited for large-scale entertaining, and the open staircase wall enhances the room's spaciousness. The dining room is ambiently brightened with an elegant contemporary chandelier and accented with wainscoting detail along its east wall. A half wall separates the dining area from the kitchen while maintaining the openness between these spaces. And the kitchen also directly accesses the living room, giving the main level a wonderful ease of flow for entertaining convenience. A very functional work area, the kitchen features a beautiful mosaic tiled backsplash, plenty of cabinetry storage, as well as a built-in wall pantry, while the island has an oven with smooth cooktop and counter workspace on either side for meal prep convenience. The living room also has a walkout onto the front patio overlooking the kids' play park. Its north-facing exposure, as well as the large north-facing window in the dining area, bringing soft, natural light into the home. The staircase to the upper level is finished with dark hardwood treads and handrail, and beautiful dark hardwood floors are found throughout this level. The second and third bedrooms are spacious and bright, with large windows and ample closet space, while the exceptionally sized master bedroom has a large walk-in closet. Completing this level is a linen closet, as well as a brightly lit 4-piece washroom. The lower level features 2 distinct spaces, a large storage room combined with a laundry area, as well as a spacious recreation area ideal as a family room, or which can be transformed to suit personal needs. Just a short walk to the Vistula Ravine and the shores of Frenchman's Bay, and steps away from public transit, this home is close to the West Shore Community Center, Frenchman's Bay and Fairport Beach Public Schools, as well as Father Fenelon Catholic Elementary School. There is also quick access to Highway 401, while just a short drive away is Kingston Road shopping, restaurants and services, Petticoat Creek Conservation Area, Pickering Town Center Mall, and the Pickering GO Station.